Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to search nearby people on Instagram. Friends, if you want to find nearby places or people on Instagram, then you simply need to open Instagram app. Now here you need to press on the search button. Now here you need to type the name of the place. Like I want to search in Delhi. So after typing the name, you need to drag this menu to the left. Now here you will find places. Press on it. Now from the list you need to select the place again. Now close this window. And here you will find all the places and people in this area. With the help of your finger you can drag this map. With the help of finger you can make this map little bigger. So friends, like this you can very easily search nearby places and people on Instagram. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.